Okay guys, so I'm out here in the shop. It's afternoon, y'all can tell it's blistering. It's like 100 degrees. So I got an issue here with the mesh on the trailer here. So I'm gonna back this trailer up in here, up in the shop here, and I'm gonna fix this. Probably what I'm gonna do, I'm probably just gonna cut it and put some other mesh that I got here. Yeah, but this is old candy mesh. I've been waiting on it to rip, but Francisco stepped through it the other day, and you'll get hurt. It'll gas you up, man. So I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse. I'm gonna back the trailer up in here, and then I'll show y'all what I'm gonna do here. So y'all can kind of see what I'm dealing with here. We'll let the ramp down, but I know that I'm going to need a piece of the mesh, and the mesh I have, and I'm gonna show y'all when I go outside. I got a big piece outside the door. The stuff I got's raised mesh, and I've been really considering maybe replacing the whole piece here. But I mean, as long as the other mesh is holding, I don't know. I'm gonna take a measurement and see, and if that whole piece will fit on here, I'll take this piece off and put that big boy piece on. I don't really like wasting material like that, because I feel like it'd be a waste here because of, it's just a matter of time before you bust your butt on this slippery stuff, and I'll show y'all the difference. Yeah, so we're gonna have to have a piece from right here to right here is 18.5 inches. So 18.25, you know, is what we'll cut it. So we know it needs to be 18.25 wide, give or take. You know, it could be 18, and hell, it could be 18. So now we want to make sure that we get a big enough piece. There's no sense in replacing. So it looks like it goes all the way down to here. So we know 18.25 across, and then probably it'd be easier, y'all, just to replace from right here to right here. So 18.25 across. So let's just go from the bottom here all the way up to 20 inches. That'll put me up here, right? Because I can't have my guys falling through that, man. That's not good. I mean, I can't fix that. Well, this mesh is not worthy of fixing. So 18.25 by 20. That's what I need. I don't think that's 48 inches, man, is it? Yeah, it's 48. So I'm gonna show y'all something, and I don't know, you know, that you have to think about when you're doing stuff like this. So, you know, and I might be going into too much detail. I don't know, some people might like that, some people might not. So, you see the frame of this thing, right? The ramp itself. Well, you see down here, this piece right here is inside of that piece. So it's further that way. Now, one thing that I can do is I can cut this right here, right? Just cut it right there, and then do it on this end too. So I can push that up against that piece right there. If I just weld it now, you're not going to hardly be able to get a weld that thick in there and it be any good. Not with my welder, you know. Because by the time you get it that hot, you're going to be disintegrating this stuff. I just wanted to point that out, man. I mean, you know, just some of the stuff that I think about, that you have to think about when you're doing stuff like this. So, yeah. Here, y'all, you have to weld it on a different setting, at least to begin with. So, just to kind of show y'all, you know, just information, man, you know. So, this right here controls the speed, how fast the wire comes out of the trigger, right? This controls the heat or the voltage or whatever. So that's as high as it'll go, and I never run the wire any faster than where it is right now, unless I'm feeding the new thing through. So all right, I'm gonna turn y'all back around where y'all can see me. Well, just all you're really doing is a bunch of tack welding here. That's all you're really doing on this. Okay, y'all, so that's a wrap on that. It's on there good. I ain't worried about painting it or nothing right now. I'm just worried about getting in the house, editing the video for today, and we'll get ready for tomorrow, man. We got a lot to do. So I believe this is going to hold pretty good. It'll definitely hold better than it was holding, for sure. Kick back.